everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing? Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and United States, and we have a day off. And we went to fishing, and I got my pool over there. That's a good thing for relaxation, and that's what we did when we are have a day off. Just relax, and we have one day off only today, and then we have to relax by the river. Enjoy the day without any stress. And you guys have a good day too, and hopefully guys you doing good too. And I'm gonna start uploading my video. You guys subscribes me and likes and comment if you like it, and help the more views like everybody else. And you guys, hopefully everything is okay. So yeah, and we gotta check our pool. Maybe they have something else. Fish. Mm. Oh, look like they have a small one. Oh no. Oh, it's nothing. Alright, we're gonna back. Gonna check the other one. Oh, this one is look like they have nothing. Alright. Okay, put it back. Try this one again. Oh. No fish. We're gonna wait a little bit. Now we have to fix our hook because it's really blend. And then we gotta put worm. Alright. Then we gotta put worm in our hook. This is what I did, guys, every single week when I don't go to work. Sometimes I stay at home, clean the house. Okay. We're gonna search this. Ooh, I think we got one. Oh no. Oh, that's pretty nice outside. Beautiful, beautiful out.